When someone asks an AI assistant, "Where should I get my laptop repaired in Wan Chai?" the businesses named in the response win immediate credibility and foot traffic. Local Geo focuses specifically on earning these hyper-relevant AI recommendations that drive real-world visits. For brick-and-mortar businesses, this emerging channel can become a significant source of new customers. AI models pull local recommendations from a combination of review signals, website content, directory listings, and geographic data. Businesses with detailed, location-specific service pages describing exactly what they offer, where they are located, and what makes them distinct from nearby alternatives are far more likely to be cited. Restaurants, beauty salons, and professional service providers benefit enormously from pages that highlight neighborhood identity, specialties, and real customer experiences. Consistent NAP information, name, address, phone, across every online platform is non-negotiable for local search visibility. AI cross-references these details to verify legitimacy. Encouraging customers to mention specific services and locations in their reviews gives AI the contextual signals it needs to match your business with relevant local queries. Community involvement builds powerful local geo signals. Sponsoring neighborhood events, partnering with local organizations like NGOs and associations, and earning mentions in community media all create the localized digital footprint that AI interprets as genuine local authority.